Hey, welcome to Sense for Starters. Budgeting can feel tough when you're starting out, but avoiding common mistakes makes it way easier. I'm sharing 5 budgeting mistakes beginners make in 2025 and how to fix them. I made these mistakes too, but fixing them saved me $300 a month. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Mistake 1. Not tracking your spending. If you don't know where your money goes, you can't budget. For example, I spent $100 on takeout without noticing. Fix. Write every expense in a notebook for a week: coffee, bills, everything. A bank app helps too. This takes 5 minutes a day and shows your spending habits. Mistake 2. Not having a budget plan. Winging it leads to overspending. Fix. Use the 50/30/20 rule: 50% for needs like rent, 30% for wants like movies, 20% for savings. For $2,000 income, that's $1,000, $600, $400. Write it in your notebook to stay organized. Mistake 3. Ignoring small expenses. Those $5 coffees add up $150 a month. Fix. Set a $20 weekly, fun, budget in your notebook. When it's gone, wait till next week. This keeps small spends in check. Mistake 4. Not reviewing your budget. Plans fail without check-ins. Fix. Every Sunday, spend 5 minutes comparing your notebook to your spending. Adjust for the next week, like cutting $20 from dining out. I saved $200 a month doing this. Mistake 5. Not setting a savings goal. Without a target, you won't save. Fix. Aim for $100 a month in a savings account. Write it in your notebook and automate a bank transfer. Small goals build big savings. There you go, 5 budgeting mistakes and how to fix them. Start with one fix this week and comment below. Which mistake are you making? Want a budget planner to stay on track? Link below. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly tips to save more in 2025.